The AI hype cycle is finally showing structural cracks. We've reached a point where coders are literally being hospitalized from token limit stress, while developers wait in fear of paywall deadlines. But the biggest shock comes from hardware. Nvidia, who financed the cloud AI economy by funding data centers, is now marketing a $94,000 entry-level desktop inference PC. Its core premise? Avoid paying for cloud AI entirely. Nvidia spent years pumping billions into OpenAI and data centers, getting paid back in GPU orders. But now, they're selling the option to bypass the cloud. They're playing both sides, so they win either way. And the betrayal is mutual. OpenAI is building custom chips with Broadcom, and Anthropic is leaning on TPUs. In response, Nvidia is actively promoting cheaper Chinese models like Qwen and DeepSeek to run on their hardware. Like the $10,000 Macintosh in 1984, local hardware will get cheaper. AI won't be the metered utility Sam Altman predicted. It will be a commodity running locally for data privacy and control. But will the powers that be let you run open, unmonitored AI at home? Or will they ban local models under the guise of security, forcing us into a metered, surveilled API playground?